How to freeze KuCoin account. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today I'm going to explain how to freeze or secure your account on KuCoin in a simple way. First, launch open the KuCoin application on your device and make sure that you are logged in. Once you're inside the home page of KuCoin, go to the upper left corner and tap on your profile avatar. From the expanded menu, scroll down and click on Security. Inside Security, if you go all the way down under Account Management, you'll see the Freeze Account button. Tap on Freeze Account and on the next page, go through the information. If you choose to freeze your account, the uncompleted withdrawals will be cancelled, all pending orders will be cancelled as well, the API will be disabled, the trading and withdrawals will be disabled, and you could apply to unfreeze the account after 24 hours. So until the 24 hours time window, you will not be able to unfreeze your account back again. So after you are sure you'd like to freeze your account, click on this I hereby affirm circle at the bottom and click on Freeze Account. Right after you do that, if you have enabled passkey, you'll need to go ahead and scan your passkey or add your passkey. After verifying it, your account will be frozen. So this is a quick and powerful way to secure your account when something doesn't feel right. If you go ahead and log back into your account, then you'll need to wait for 24 hours to apply to unfreeze your account again if you change your mind. So that is how you can easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.